So to change your online location, it's actually very simple. The first thing I'm going to do is load up my web browser and I'm going to refresh it. And as you can see, I'm currently from the United Kingdom, and I should also take note of my IP address. Part of it is going to be blurred out because it holds lots of personal information, such as my real location. So now I've showed you my real location, it's time to actually change that. And to do this, we're going to be using a VPN, also known as a virtual private network. You may or may not have heard about this before, but basically they're good because they change your online identity and your online location, which means you can browse the internet anonymously with an extra layer of security, which is great. The VPN I like to use is called IPVanish, and I like to use them because they don't store any traffic logs, which is very important, but they also have hundreds of high-speed servers around the world to choose from. You can get IPVanish with the link in description, and you can also get it for any device. So once you've got your VPN of choice, it's time to actually change our online location. Now while we're doing this, it's important to take note of the IP address in the top left, and it's also important to take note of our visible location. So what we're going to do now is select the server list, and you can select a server from any country you'd like. You can also select it on the map view as well, but I like to do it on the list view. You can also change the filter by clicking on this drop down box and selecting whatever filter you'd like. I personally like to go by ping, which is going to sort it from the fastest first to the slowest. So we're going to select Germany Frankfurt for an example, and we're going to double click on it, and it's going to connect us to a Frankfurt server. So now we're connected to it, when we browse the internet, we should be browsing from Frankfurt in Germany and not from the United Kingdom. So once you're ready to disconnect from the VPN, all you need to do is click on disconnect, and you'll notice that my IP address will go back to my original one, and my visible location will also go back to my real location. And that is all you need to do to change your online location. This method is really good if you want to access region-locked content such as Netflix or certain YouTube videos. Or if you just want to browse the internet anonymously with an extra layer of security, it is also really effective. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a good day.